How to start affiliate marketing for beginners. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically you're promoting someone else's product that they give you a unique link and you promote it, whether it's on social media, your website, or email marketing. And once they click on that link, they buy something, then you get a commission. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. There's no customer service, there's no returns, and there's no hassle. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You sell it, forget about it. Move on to the next one. A lot of people say, do you need a website or do you not need a website? I personally think you need a website so you can develop your brand. You get your name out, and I like to use Bluehost. Bluehost does much more than just websites and domains. A lot of people don't realize if you're new into affiliate marketing, and of course you probably don't have any idea how to build a website or even what you want, they can help you build it. They can walk you through, they can build it, and they can also help you with your social media marketing. A lot of people don't know that. They do much more than just websites. They can help you with your SEO. And I'll leave the link in the description for this. And if you're interested in Bluehost, you can check them out a little bit further. But now, if you're interested also in email marketing, then I like Aweber. Bluehost and Aweber, their customer service is probably hands down the best, especially Aweber. If you're looking for Aweber, you just get a free account, sign up for it, and if you get stuck with something like you don't know how to do, maybe because you're new and you don't know how to set up your marketing and your campaign in there, and they will walk you through it. You just call them and say, hey, I'm having a little problem, and they'll walk you through it. Their customer service and Bluehost customer service is hands down probably some of the best. That's why when I say to new people, well, which email marketing should I use? Well, there's many different ones, but by far Aweber's customer service is by far is 5 stars. If you need to know how to do it, or you need someone to walk you through it, a lot of times they'll do it, then they'll walk you through it. So if you're looking for maybe to build your brand and you want to get your website out there, Bluehost is a company for you. Aweber is your email marketing. And if you're looking for, you don't know what niche you want to do before you do a website and before you do that, there's 4 platforms I'm going to show you today that you can pick different products. All 4 of these platforms you can sign up and they're absolutely free. You can pick anything on here. Once you sign up, you go into them, you go into their marketplace, you search anything that maybe you're interested in. Maybe you have a hobby and you just want to see if it's in there, and maybe you're into real estate. There's stuff in here you can sell, courses and stuff that you can promote. Maybe you're into woodworking. There's stuff in these, and I know at least 1 or 2 of them that's going to have it. I've never really looked for woodworking, but I'm guarantee you I know some of them have them because I have seen them, and I know ClickBanks does. And but they're all free. This one's Impact. I really like it. You can just sign in, and it's going to ask you, or do you have an account? And then you just create one. They're absolutely free, so I would just hit them all. I'd go to Impact, then I'd sign up for ClickBanks. ClickBanks is probably what you're seeing the most people do. They talk about ClickBank the most. And a lot of that's because they have a lot of good stuff for the affiliates. to promote like email lists. You can use their emails that they have. It depends on the product that they have that you pick from, that you can use their swipes and put them in, like say Aweber or something like that, and you can send out your emails promoting the product that way. Like I said, they're all free. Just where it says click here, sign up, and I would join it. Same thing with share sale. I would definitely sign up for this one. They're good, and they got a lot of different products in them, and so don't hesitate. Just sign up. Here's one more that I like. There's several more like CJ and a couple more, but you know, these are probably some of the easiest. Skim Links is probably the easiest one out there. But the problem with Skim Link, there's no banners. You know, there's no email swipes. You kind of have to know what you're doing in order to promote them, because they don't really give you anything. They just give you the product, the link, then you can kind of promote it that way. But as far as banners and email swipes, that kind of stuff, you'll have to come up with that on your own. But they're all good. You know, there's no problem with getting on there, finding a product and promoting it and getting your feet wet into affiliate marketing. The question is, do you want to have a website? You know, or do you, or you just want to get started, see what happens? A lot of people say you need one. A lot of people say you don't need it to get started. I personally think you should have a website, at least get it started, so you can kind of drive people to your website. Then maybe from there you can have your social media stuff at the top, to where you can promote your other stuff too. It takes you to a different link, maybe start a YouTube channel or something like that. I know you're thinking, man, that's a lot of work. Website, emails, 4 things to get into. Hey, 4 platforms that you can. There's ton. When you sign up for these, there's just ton of stuff in there that you can pick from that you can promote. You know. And I know a lot of this you're thinking, oh wow, this is kind of a little overwhelming. And for some people, maybe it is. Maybe you watched a lot of YouTube videos and people seem to think, oh, it's pretty easy. You know, you can do it. Affiliate marketing is not hard, but it's not super easy. You got to put your time in. You got to have patience. A lot of people give up because maybe they didn't sell anything in 6 months, and you know, they're frustrated because they're working 9 to 5 and they come home, they only have a couple hours. Well, guess what? That's how everybody started. You know, everybody started that way. Everybody had a job, then they started coming in, doing this on the weekends, or an hour, and you know, before they got up an hour early and they worked on it, or you know, hour in the afternoon when they got home. You know, everybody started that way. So don't feel like you're the Lone Ranger. You know, everybody goes through this. The main thing is to get the training. Then once you get the training, I know you probably watched a lot of videos and they tell you can make $10,000 a month and it's really easy. Well, you know, it's not that easy. But if you get the training, you get you a mentor and advisor, you'll make more money because they're going to show you the right way to do it. I'm going to leave a link in the description. I'll leave a link for Bluehost and Aweber and Impact and all of them in there also. In case you're interested in building a website and you want to do email campaign, you can sign up for them too. But the training, I'll also leave a link down below for training, because the training is going to be the most part in your affiliate marketing journey. Because without it, you're going to you're just going to struggle, you're going to get frustrated, and you're probably going to want to quit. I said, but it doesn't have to be that way. We got guys that's been doing this for years. They know the ups and downs. They know the right way to do it. You're not going to be struggling. They're going to tell you, yeah, you can promote that product, but it's difficult. Why don't you promote this one? It's maybe a little easier to you, so you can get started and you can kind of get your feet wet, because the competition is a little lower, and it's selling pretty good. Because most of these things like ClickBank, once you sign up, you want to sort by gravity and see which one pays the most, but you also want to see the competition on those also. And this is with any of this stuff. You kind of want to fill it out. But once you get your mentor who's pushing you every day, who is telling you this stuff, who's walking you through it and saying, hey, do this, do that, you're not making the mistakes that say other people did before you, because you got people who are showing you, who's already making six figures, who decided to teach, who wants to teach you and others the right way of doing affiliate marketing, so you don't struggle. You're not wasting time. You're not wasting 6, 7, 8 months of your time and you're struggling. They want you to get started. They want you to start making money within weeks, not months. So if you're interested in Bluehost, Aweber, and signing up for any of these 4 platforms, just go to the description and click the link below, and we can get started today. And I do thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share, and look for my weekly videos, and I'll see you next week.